Welcome to Control Tech. This video series is to help our customers in solving common dehumidifier issues. We will suggest you different steps to resolve this issue. So, let's solve it together. Dehumidifier should shut down automatically when it achieves the set humidity level. If not, then we need to do following steps to resolve this issue. If the desired humidity level is already reached, and the dehumidifier continues to run, it may indicate that the humidistat needs to be calibrated correctly. Adjust the humidistat settings to a higher humidity level and see if the dehumidifier shuts off accordingly. Refer to the user manual for instructions on adjusting the settings specific to your dehumidifier model. Second step is to check dehumidifier's sensors. Dehumidifiers often have sensors that detect humidity or water levels. If these sensors are obstructed or dirty, they may not accurately measure the conditions and prevent the dehumidifier from shutting off. So, clean the sensor and remove any obstruction, if any. A simple reset can sometimes resolve issues with the dehumidifier's internal settings. By resetting the dehumidifier, you can restore it to its default settings and fix any software or programming glitches preventing it from shutting off. Read the dehumidifier manual to understand the resetting procedure. For more such informative videos on dehumidifiers, please subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please do email us. We, Control Tech Dehumidifiers, will be happy to answer it as much as possible. Get in touch with us to learn more about our products and services. Thanks for watching this video.